Today, we open up another exclusive blaster box. It's exclusive to Canada and we're opening it right now. Stay tuned.
The Prokotaco Show.
What's going on, you guys? Prokotaco here with the Prokotaco Show, and on this show we open up packs and boxes of hockey cards. So today we got another Canadian Exclusive blaster box. This one again off SuffRepic.com, and it comes with 11 packs in there, 8 cards per pack. However, one of those packs is the Canadian team triples. So I've opened up a few of these already, so make sure you check those out if you haven't yet. I'll post the link to the playlist for those videos in the description of this video, and also in the top right corner if you click that little card there. So let's crack this box open here, and we'll just empty out all our packs. Box has been emptied, and here's our bonus pack, and then we should have 10 packs of the series 1, which we do. Let's start off with the bonus pack. See if we pull the Maple Leafs team triples. So the first one is the Vancouver Canucks. We got Bo Horvat, Jake Virtanen, and Ben Houghton on there. And then here's one of the Maple Leafs ones, Kasperi Kapanen, Connor Brown, and Nikita Soshnikov on there. Pretty cool little set to collect if you're into the Canadian Blasters. And the thing with the Canadian Blasters, they come with 8 cards per pack instead of just 5 like the regular ones. So Dwight King, Robin Leonard, Jamie Benn, Phil Kessel, and Zach Werenski Young Guns. Sweet! This is a nice Young Guns card to pull. Super awesome. Andy Green, Carl Soderberg, and Curtis Lazar. Werenski, one of the top rookies this year. He was up for the Calder, nominated for it. Matthias Elcombe, Robbie Fabry, Devin Dubnyk, Calvin DeHaan, Jake Allen here, Mike Fisher, Vladimir Tarasenko, and Eric Holla. Pack number 3. Matt Zuccarello, Tyler Bozak, Dustin Byfuglien, Aaron Ekblad. Oh, beautiful. Upper Deck Portrait Superstars of Connor McDavid. Won the Hart Trophy for this season. That is very nice. Yaroslav Halak, Yuri Laterra, and Rick Nash. Let's keep going here. Anders Lee, Joffrey Lupul, Ryan McDonough, Matt Duchene, Mikhail Sergachev Young Guns for the Habs. It's also a nice Young Guns card to pull. Alexander Edler, Andrei Pavelec, and Alexander Barkov. So that's 2 Young Guns we've pulled already. There's a chance at a third, as I have pulled 3 out of 1 of these Canadian Blasters before. David Krejci, Craig Smith, Martin Jones, Patrick Berglund, and a Shining Stars insert. This is the regular version of Zach Parise, Brock Nelson, Jake Gardner, and Andrew Hammond. Martin Hansel, Evgeny Kuznetsov, Alex Pietrangelo, Oliver Ekman-Larsson, Alex Galchenyuk, John Gibson, Logan Couture, and Marcus Kruger. Michael Frolik, Chris Letang. Here we got Marian Hossa, Alec Martinez, and another Shining Stars card. This is a blue parallel version of Sean Monahan. Very nice. Scott Hartnell, Jake Muzzin, and Ryan O'Reilly. So 3 packs left here. Jacob Silverberg, Joel Ward, Brent Seabrook, Nick Foligno, and a UD canvas of Drew Doughty. That's a cool canvas card to have. Paul Martin, Paul Stastny, and Mark Stahl. Second last pack here. Be gentle, Proko, be gentle. Chris Kreider, Kyle Palmieri, Nicholas Halmerson, Bobby Ryan. We got an insert here. It's a UD Portraits of Pekka Rinne. Alexander Wenberg, David Pasternak, and James Neal. Here's the final pack. Kerry Lettinen, Trevor Daley, Brooks Leitch, Tobias Enstrom, Series 1 checklist with Crosby and Pavelski, 1 to 100, Jason Spezza, Mike Smith, and Sidney Crosby is our last card in that break. So that concludes our break of this Canadian Exclusive blaster box. I'll do a quick insert recap for you guys. I got them fairly organized to the side here. We'll start off with the Upper Deck Portraits. Pekka Rinne here. And then we got the Superstars UD Portraits of Connor McDavid. Then we got some Shining Stars. This one is of Zach Parise. And a blue parallel version of Sean Monahan. Upper Deck canvas card of Drew Doughty, just one in that box. And then 2 Young Guns cards. So Mikhail Sergachev and Zach Werenski were our 2 Young Guns inserts. And of course we had the 2 Team Triples cards from that bonus pack. And that concludes our break. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, as that really helps me out. And if you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on new content. Alright guys, thank you for tuning in, and until next time, peace out. Prokotaco.
Thanks for watching. To watch another episode, click one of the rectangles. Make sure you check me out on Twitter, Instagram, and now Facebook. And don't forget to subscribe, guys. I know you want to click that button.